You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this character from Star Wars. If you want to learn even more confusing Star Wars names, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Han Solo. Therefore, it kind of sounds like it's Hans and then Olo. You kind of link up Han, but it's Han, his first name, and then Solo, the British English. Now, the Americans usually say it a bit more as Solo. Solo. Han Solo. It's easy. Han Solo. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.